Hi ghoulies, I'm Juan here, up for the sun, bringing you lifestyle and fandom realness. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Before we get started, please go ahead and hit that like button. It really does help out with that vicious algorithm. And subscribe if you haven't already, it's free. And today we have another Tokidoki unboxing for you. I'm so excited to get into this. This is the Mystic Magic Unicorno series. And you know I love the artwork of Tokidoki. It's just unmatched. These are the characters that you couldn't get. We have Mystic Spellina, Mystic Moonella, Mystic Luna, Mystic Candela, Mystic Lucky, Mystic Quartzy, and the chase is Mystic Andromeda. And y'all know how much I love a case. Now, it really was between this one or the Tokidoki After Dark series. I think it's number 5 they're on now. But I did see those on a live and there was nothing really jumping out to me. However, these beauties are just amazing. And you can see here that there's 6 per palette. They're just gorgeous. So here are our cast of characters this time around. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Y'all know I do love to get a chaser. However, I am hoping to complete the whole main line in this pack. This is what the box looks like. Our options listed here again. We have a story of the Unicornos on the back. Look at all this artwork here. Look at Donatella. Those mushrooms, that cactus cat, and all the sleeping. Oh my gosh, the sleeping Unicorno babies. I opened them from the bottom to save the integrity of the top. Now included in each box is a sticker, as well as this little legend pamphlet, so you can keep track of who you got. Okay, this is box number 1. Oh my gosh. This is Mystic Quartzy. So beautiful. She does look like some stones that you do energize. I'm just gobsmacked. This is so beautiful. And I do love the stones here on the side. And they have a little twinkle there. And the pink against this looks amazing. She has these little gems in her ears. And that necklace, wow. She looks like on the bottom, her crown, and the detail here as well. Yay, what a great start. Box number 2. Okay, so we have, yay, I was so hoping to get this one. So beautiful. This is Mystic Candela. And I love the phases of the moon at the bottom there, and this beautiful glitter infused body here of this green. Look how beautiful that is. And then she has her purple flame up top. Beautiful. So beautiful. I'm obsessed. Box number 3. Oh my god. That one has like a definite kick. And we have, this is Mystic Luna. Wow. Oh my goodness. This is so gorge. I love this color scheme. This is a color scheme we just saw in the Hocus Pocus pins I unboxed. And she has a little cat detail over the eye with stars. She has a scaredy cat on her side with this beautiful ombre effect on her robe. There's a 2-tone here of the teal. She has a darker purple for her tail. She has this beautiful shimmer here in the main, and then it has like a matte one across. Her hat is amazing. You have stars on it, and then we have the little cat face, and then it's topped by that skull, which is so cool, and it's also nice and metallic. She has a Tokidoki logo on her front. There's no art on this side, but again, there's a cat over the eye, like a cat eye. Oh my gosh. Love, love, love. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with that one too. They're so great. Box number 4. This is trash kit. Who do we have? Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. We have Mystic Lucky. Wow, look at that. So beautiful, this paint job. I cannot believe it. I love the whiskers here, and they have a little bell, and then they have the lucky cat and the hair. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that, just gorgeous. We have a black bow there. So I actually have a lucky cat chase that I got like 2 years ago now. So this is essentially a repaint of that one. There's gems in the ear as well. but so beautiful. I'm obsessed with the coloring on this. This is great. Okay, number 5. Oh, I see pink. Oh yes! Mystic Spellina. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed. Look at the cauldron with the skull detail. Beautiful. Again, this wonderful pearlescent shimmer on these. And the pink looks gorgeous. And then this like the dipped wing here. We have stars in our eyes. And then the hat here. Oh my god. Look at that crab. And the snake. Oh my gosh. Look at the snake wrapped around. So gorgeous. And the hat itself is also that pearlescent pink. And her horn is a different color. And her mane is that beautiful pink there. Her body is a beautiful pearlescent white. And she has this half moon beautiful necklace on. And on the back, she's carrying this beautiful spell book with a pentagram on it. And it's also pearlescent, the shimmer purple. Okay, we have the final box. This is box number 6. This is either going to be Mystic Munella or Mystic Andromeda, which is a chaser. Who do you think it is? Let's find out. And we have... Yes! This is exactly who I wanted. I think the chaser is great, but Mystic Munella is divine. Oh, look at these beautiful clouds here. We have the moon peeking out and the stars. We have this beautiful pearlescent blue here. We have the pearlescent dip of the wing. We have the bat wing accent of the eye. There's stars there as well. We have a broom with a bow. Two-tone here for the mane. It's the dark blue for their tail. How fun! Beautiful clouds here as well with that beautiful shine of the blue. This is matching the other side, the bat wing and the stars. You can see the pearlescent purple here to this matte and white here. We also have the Tokidoki sign there. The edge of the broom is a star, which matches this gorgeous hat. I love the star moon motif here. Then she has this little bat. It kind of looks like a cat, but it's a bat for sure. And then this pearlescent pumpkin at the tippy top. Perfection. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. What I will say is that the way the series was done is really cute because these characters accent one another. And this is what I mean. Because they complement one another, they complement one another, and they complement one another. They did not disappoint this time around. So, so good. So that was it, not a long video. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Did you end up getting any of these Tokidokis? Are we twinning on them? Let me know. A huge thank you to all my subscribers. Your support means the world to me. Please continue to like, comment, and share this video with someone who thinks that might like it. Also, be sure to hit that bell notification to all so you're notified for future videos like this one. I hope you're all having a wonderful start to your spooky season. And with that, be safe, tell someone that you love them because tomorrow's never promised. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!